Hi, I'm Jason with TechSmith. As part of the customer education team, we know that you're probably going through a time now where you're getting ready to move classes to an online environment, and we want to help you through that process. And rather than reinvent the wheel, there's a good chance you want to take your existing PowerPoint slide decks and turn them into videos. Well, we actually have a great resource pack available to you right here on this website. But before we get into that, let me give you a few quick tips that I've always found helpful when I'm turning my decks into videos. One is if there's content in that slide deck that you've always put off updating, perhaps images that are out of date or data that you've always wanted to add, now's a great time to go through those PowerPoint presentations and make sure they're up to date and ready for you. Also, if you're teaching this normally in an in-class environment and you refer to other videos, or you make draw things on whiteboards or bring in other content, it would be a great idea to bring that content together now and include it in this video so that it's ready for one place for your students to consume. We're not looking for perfection. We want to make sure we get the content delivered so that it's ready and relevant for your students. So we've actually gathered many resources, like I said here on this page, where you can use TechSmith expertise in using Camtasia and PowerPoint together. For example, there's a video here that shows 3 great ways you can use Camtasia and PowerPoint together. We also have a series of blog posts, including this one, to get great quality out of using your PowerPoint presentations in a video format. And our tech support team is ready with articles for the most commonly faced challenges when you're running into technical issues, perhaps with Camtasia, PowerPoint, or any TechSmith products. So don't worry, we're in this together and we've got your back.